Hi friends, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk about Laravel. Laravel is a PHP framework, and there are a lot of frameworks based on PHP, but I'm going to talk about Laravel. And if you have chance, you can also download the Code Igniter framework also. So, what is going to be Laravel? Laravel is an interesting subject. I have come from the cold fusion background and I'm not getting too much projects, so I have decided to learn PHP and Laravel technology. And if you see in the internet, a huge number of websites which are built with PHP and Laravel technology. So there are a few things that you need to concentrate on for learning Laravel. First, you have to install it, and you have to know the command that which command is required for which purpose. And after that, you also going to deploy the code in different environments. Normally there are three different environments: development, staging means testing, and production. Three environments. So the settings will be also different according to the environment. And this is the Laravel website, and if you see, this is visit in Dubai website. So there are a few companies which are operating from Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and if you are interested to get a job, or maybe if you want to work, it is also good, and you can get some kind of support. Approximately 40% people from Dubai and Abu Dhabi are Indians. Like 40% people are there who are Indians. So this is an also interesting thing. So, and there are a lot of things, like suppose you are going to create a registration page, a login page, and there are a few other things also. Quickly you can create those using Laravel, and you have to know the basics first and then advance, like how Laravel is working. So if you want to customize some of the pages, you have to know that how you are going to do that. And I will keep uploading videos on Laravel and PHP technology, and also I have learned like Code Igniter. So if you can get chance, you can investigate on that. And yeah, this is all. I am interested for some overseas opportunities also. If I get some offer, I can spend some time for that countries. So yeah, this is Dubai and Abu Dhabi is there, and this is also an interesting place to visit and stay. And you can buy some property also in Dubai, and you can get the citizenship there also very quickly. So there are a lot of processes which are in Dubai is very good, and there are some royal prince or princess also. I am not sure if you have heard about Sheikh Mahara. She is also a good lady in the UAE. So this is all today. Thank you so much.